Good afternoon and welcome back to the Double Deck Garage. This is Quackie number 7, and in one of the previous Quackies I did an introduction to my PSCAN tool that I bought about 3 months ago, and just did a run through the setup. Since then I've not really used it very much, but somebody called Ray has actually stuck a comment on the original video asking some questions. So I thought rather than just type a few lines of text back, I thought I'd actually use this as an opportunity to break out the PSCAN, get it set up, plug it up, and just run through some of its features. I've moved out of the driveway. I'm currently set in the VVC, and I've got the old computer with the PSCAN software all set up, plugged in, and ready to go. We'll start off with the petrol engine, and you can see these are the different ECUs that it can handle. You can click on information, and here you can see the ECU identifier, the VIN, vehicle identification number. Next thing I can do is click on read error codes. I've got 3 error codes at the moment. Live data, and this is one of the questions that Ray asked specifically. What parameters can PSCAN read? Okay, air temperature actual 9 degrees, battery voltage 12.1 volts, throttle potentiometer voltage 0.66. I just push the throttle, there we go, so we can see the voltage changes from the throttle position sensor. So that's a good indication the throttle position sensor is working. See, if I click on the throttle angle, that will vary as well. So we've got the idle stepper position, that's for the stepper motor for the idle control valve. If you have a look at my VVC troubleshooting when this engine wasn't running, I made good use of these injector pulse widths. Downstream oxygen heater applied current, so I've got negative current, so that was a bit strange. Okay, there's another useful one. VVT requested, VVT measured, start and end, crankshaft position, crankshaft synchronization, camshaft synchronization. So I've set up a number of different parameters to measure here, and what I'm now going to do is I'm going to start the engine and take some live readings. There we go. There's a few extra features on here. If I go into there, you can see that we have an immobilizer status, learn EMS code, so that's synchronizing the engine ECU with the immobilizer code, and then there's tuning, which appears to be to do with mapping, if you're using a source map. So it could be interesting to go and have a look at that URL and find out more about that. For diesel engine, these are going to be the different ECUs I expect. Transmission, my car's a manual, so I don't have either of those. ABS, alarm, immobilizer and body. Look at information and see what it can tell me. Live data. So winding the window down, winding the window up. Okay. Actuators, left indicator. Yes. Right indicator. Yes. Let's do the hazard lights. Just a good old boy. Yes, the hazard lights work nicely. Locking on. Front wash request. That's working. Hey, power steering. Full speed, engine speed assist, observe current, target current. I'd like to say thank you very much to Ray for the questions. I hope we've answered them, but if not, please stick something in the comments below, and we can pick up on them and respond to you as quickly as possible, hopefully fill in any gaps. There is a forum for PSCAN, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. Apart from that, just remains to be said, thank you very much for watching, and we'll be back very soon. Cheers, bye.